Hello everyone. Today's topics is all about the advantages and disadvantages of IUDs, that is intrauterine devices, which is part of your syllabus and also the chapter for part of your chapter 5 or unit 5. So in previous video we had discussed about the introductions of IUDs and the most important things, that is the anatomy of uterus. As because this particular device or intrauterine device specially designed for the female uterus, so we have to know about the anatomy of uterus. So today we are going to discuss about the advantages of particular devices, that is intrauterine devices. So what are the advantages of IUDs? First advantage, that is the immediate onset of action. So basically when we use the intrauterine devices, it gets the immediate onset of actions. And next, that is the suitable for breastfeeding women. Women who are going through this their breastfeeding times are, or they can use this particular devices. And next advantages, that is capable for long term birth controls approximately 2 to 10 years. This is the most important advantages. It can controls, or it can be used for long term basis, and it has the capability for long term birth control. It's approximately 2 to 10 years. This is the long terms, that is 2 to 10 years. And next, that is do not interferes with other medications. Another important advantages, that is no interactions, no drug interactions is happened by using this kind of devices. So due to no interference or suitable for breastfeeding women, it can be used by almost any women. So this is the vital advantages or another important advantage for IUDs. And next, that is most patient convenience. As because this facilities, it is most patient convenience. And the next one, that is the return fertility after disconnections. When we used or insert a IUDs into the uterus cavity, after removing this kind of devices, the fertility factors is absolutely fine. So return fertility after disconnections is a important advantages or important patient compliances. So by this kind of characteristics, it improves the patient compliances of particular devices. Next, that is it is very safe for women who are on any types of medication due to no interactions, no medication interactions. It is very safe for women who are on any types of medications. Next, it is cost effective. Any kind of devices, any kind of medications have to this characteristics or disadvantages for become a most patient compliances, that is it may cost effective, এটাকে cost effective হতে হবে. Some disadvantages also there for using the intrauterine devices. So what are the disadvantages women can face during the use of the IUD devices, IUDs? So first disadvantage, does not provide protections against sexually transmitted disease or sexually transmitted infections. So basically this is disadvantages that we can found, that is it does not protect from any kind of sexually transmitted disease. It may be the HIV, AIDS, etc. So second disadvantage, that is, it is not safe or useful in unusual shapes of uterus and pelvic infections. Some kind of patients have their pelvic infections, and there is some effect or some problems in their uterus shaped, or some patients have unusual shape of uterus. In that case, it is not safe or useful. It is not suitable for kind of unwanted conditions like heavy periods, low iron levels, and endometriosis. Endometriosis is basically a disorders in which tissue that normally lies in the uterus grow outside the uterus. The tissue can be found on the ovaries, fallopian tubes, or the intestines. So next is, that is, it is also not suitable for menorrhagia. It is a problem which may lead to discontinuance of IUDs. It may increase the likelihoods of ectopic pregnancy, and uterine perforations may occur during insertion. There is another term, that is ectopic pregnancy. So what is ectopic pregnancy? It is a pregnancy in which the fertilized egg implants outside the uterus. The fertilized egg can't survive outside the uterus. If it's to grow, it may damage the nearby organs and causes life-threatening loss of blood. So, in case of this kinds of pregnancy, it may increase the this is by using this kinds of devices, it may increase the likelihood of ectopic pregnancy. And also the uterine perforations may occur during insertions. At the times of insertions or at the times of insertings, uterine perforations may occur. It may also causes the systemic contraindications like metal allergy. It because of some IUDs are made up of some metals. It may cause the metal allergy, immunodeficiency disorders, immunosuppressives, therapy, Wilson disease, acute liver disease, and breast carcinoma, especially for hormonal IUDs or medicated IUDs. It has slight risks of acquiring uterine infection during this process, during insertions or during the removal of the devices. There is a slight risk of acquiring the uterine infections. And the last one, that is during the menstrual cycles, as because of the heavy blood flow, there is a chances of expulsions of IUDs during the menstrual cycle. So that's all the disadvantages and advantages of a particular IUDs or intrauterine devices. So that's all for today. Next video we will discuss about the various types of IUDs. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please do like if you like this video.